Hello everyone, I hope you are having a great day. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually change the Shopify product price as a dropshipper, as the e-commerce business owner, everything into as the full video. So this is the product and this is a product sheet, and then I'm going to change my product price based on this sheet because my client actually added the product price and product information from me over here. So first of all, I want to find this product. Okay, so I have copied this product name and then I'm going to come to Shopify and then paste it. So if you don't know how to paste it, all you have to do, you need to let me show you from sketch so that you can directly understand. Let's cancel that. So if you don't know, you have like 2000, 3000 product, all you have to do, you have to click the search option and paste your product. And then after that, this product will show up in front of you, and then you have to click that. And once you want to change that anything, you can do it from here. So I'm going to change the product price. So I'm going to copy the product price name from here, and then I'm going to scroll down. As you can see, they don't have any product pricing system option. So all you have to do, you have to click select all, bulk edit. And after that, you can change your product price and everything from here. So I have added the product price, and then I have to do each thing manually. So all I have to do, I will drag and drop. So it will be changed for each one. So I have to make it the product price 2x. I already actually trained ChatGPT. So when I paste the price, ChatGPT will make it 2x. So I'm going to copy that. After that, I'm going to come to my store and then I'm going to paste it. And then I'm going to drag and drop this like before. So let's click on the save option. So I'm going to show you one more product so that you can see exactly how this is work. And then also guys, I am uploading product pricing changing option step by step, part by part. You need to watch my video and then subscribe my channel. And then also if you need any help, you can actually go to my agency and then you can message me on WhatsApp. That's really depend on you. Okay. So let's go to the next product, and then first of all, I have to go to the sheet, and then after going to the sheet, all I have to do, so let's click the done because my client should understand that I have already done that. So let's click on the done, and I can drag done like that, drag and drop like that. Okay, so this will be done, and let's remove the both of them to one so that they don't have any product. So let's remove. Okay, so my client easily can understand, oh, my freelancer, my agency are actually working. These people actually really get, so that I have to build trust with my client so that I can satisfy my client, I can grow my client business. Okay. Let's move to the point. So I'm going to search again like before the product name, and then this product will show in front of me, and then I'm going to select this, and then I'm going to go to the product price, and then all I have to do is just select that, and then I'm going to come to over here, and after that I will scroll down a little bit, and then as you can see, they don't have any pricing system option. The previous one was different, this one is different. Okay, so let's change the product price and make it 2x. Just paste the price on ChatGPT. So guys, you have to do smart work so that you can make it work faster. So if you actually calculate one by one, it will take a lot of time. So you have to save your time first so that you can provide your best service to your client. And then also you should teach your client, freelancer and agency owner so that they can actually do that. Okay, so let's move to the next product. So guys, this way you will be able to change everything. So guys, I will upload the part 2 so that you can exactly understand how I change the entire product price. So you need to subscribe my channel, and in future guys, what type of content and what type of problem you are facing, just let me know into the comment box.